Do you often find yourself rushing in the morning, struggling to prepare a healthy breakfast? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and it's essential to start your day with a nutritious meal. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore a variety of quick and easy breakfast ideas that not only save you time but also nourish your body, leaving you energized and ready to tackle the day. 1. The importance of breakfast. The opening paragraph will emphasize the significance of breakfast as a fuel for the day. It will briefly touch upon how a healthy breakfast sets the tone for your overall well-being. 2. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a lifesaver for busy mornings. This paragraph will explain the concept of soaking oats in milk or yogurt overnight and how you can customize them with your favorite toppings like fruits, nuts, and honey for a satisfying breakfast. 3. Smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls have gained popularity for their convenience and nutrition. Explore how to blend a nutritious smoothie with ingredients like spinach, berries, and protein powder, and then top it with granola, seeds, and more for added texture and flavor. 4. Avocado toast. Avocado toast is a quick and trendy breakfast option. Learn how to make it with a creamy avocado spread on whole grain toast, and get creative with toppings like poached eggs, sliced tomatoes, or a sprinkle of chili flakes. 5. Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt parfaits are not only delicious but also packed with protein. Describe how to layer Greek yogurt with granola, fresh fruit, and a drizzle of honey to create a nutritious and visually appealing breakfast. 6. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are a portable and protein-packed breakfast option. Explain how to mix eggs, veggies, and your choice of protein, pour the mixture into muffin tins, and bake them for a grab-and-go breakfast. 7. Chia pudding. Chia pudding is a low-effort breakfast that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. This paragraph will provide a simple recipe for chia pudding and suggest flavor variations such as vanilla, chocolate, or tropical. 8. Time management and planning. The final paragraph will stress the importance of time management and planning when it comes to preparing healthy breakfasts. It will provide tips on meal prep and organization to make your mornings less hectic. These quick and easy healthy breakfast ideas are designed to make your mornings more enjoyable and nourishing. They offer a variety of flavors and textures, ensuring that you never get bored with your breakfast routine. By incorporating these ideas into your daily life, you'll be taking a significant step toward improved nutrition and a better start to your day. So, why not make breakfast a priority and kickstart your mornings with these delicious and nutritious options? As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.